Thank you, Amit, and sunny greetings from Vikram Solar to the entire audience. To introduce Vikram Solar is a young PV manufacturer, module manufacturer, based out of India and supplying modules to the entire world. We have about 1.2 gigawatt of capacity of module manufacturing, and as Amit described, we are Tier 1 certified by DNEF and DNVGL top performer status. We have a very strong brand presence in across geography, and also we've been able to bring up new products in a constant stream in line with our motto of lowering LCOE and delivering best-in-class products for the industry. Vikram Solar right now is structured into three verticals: module manufacturing, EPC, and operational and maintenance. And in EPC, we have a portfolio of about 1 gigawatt of EPC experience in India, and we have had in the rooftop segment about 250 projects across 500 sites. In O&M, we hold a portfolio of about 650 megawatts. If you look at the global footprint of Vikram Solar, we have offices in Europe, US, China, Singapore, and India. We have shipped out almost 3 million modules across the world. That is around 2.1 gigawatt of modules as of last year. The Vikram Solar growth story in the last 13 years that we have been in our inception from 2006 to 2019, it has been quite a tumultuous journey, and we have been able to always be at the top of product development, innovation, and state-of-art manufacturing. Presently, we have 1.2 gigawatt of module manufacturing line, which delivers best-in-class products for the Indian as well as the global market. We have a current employee strength of about 2,500 people, and we have been audited by Munich Re, Solar IF for insurance-backed warranty. Vikram Solar has also been certified as a top performer in DNVGL PQP 2019. Our modules have been featured as the top performing 2% top performing modules amongst all the globally renowned module manufacturers, including all the Tier 1 Chinese. How we are creating news. So recently, for example, Vikram Solar bagged a 300 megawatt project worth about 1,750 crores Indian rupees from NTPC, which is the largest government-owned power producer in the country. We are part of the Fortune Next 500 list, and we have been ranked as the number one Indian module supplier second year in a row. By Bridge to India. Amongst doing business, apart from doing business, We have been also dealing with the phenomena now which is impacting the entire world, which is COVID-19. So if you see on this slide, there are a few images of us doing a bit for our society, giving back to the society, like organizing food and medicines for the local population near our factory and near our EPC sites. So this has been the ethos or the culture that we are brought up with in Vikram Solar, that we try to give back to the society as much as we get from it. Coming to the module development plan or roadmap of Vikram Solar, and here we are talking about the monocrystalline module only, even though we have two series basically, something which is called Somera, which is monocrystalline, and Eldora, which is polycrystalline. In 2019, we have launched the Somera Duple, which is a half-cut module, touching module power of about 395 to 400 watt, and a Somera Plus, which is exceeding 400 watt, 405 watt. In 2020 Q4, we plan to launch the multi-bus bar Somera Plus module, which is basically going to, this is a bifacial module. In fact, Duple and Somera MBB Plus both are bifacial modules, and the target power of this module would be about 450 watt peak. This module is going to be available in 2020 Q4. Let me take a step back and take you to the technology of bifacial modules and brief you a little bit about what bifacial modules are consist of. So basically, at the heart of the bifacial module